guys, welcome back to You Got Me Cooked Up. I'm Jack. Today I'm going to teach you guys one of the most iconic Chinese appetizer dishes, which is the hot and sour soup. Gonna run you guys through exactly what ingredients you need and some of the techniques involved in getting the eggs to come out more flaky and not clunky like scrambled eggs. But let's get started. Gonna run you guys through the ingredients right now. 1 box of tofu sliced into thin strips. About 5 to 6 mushrooms, slice or dice however you like. About a cup of bamboo shoots. About a cup of sliced chicken breast mixed with cornstarch. Some sliced carrots. About 1 mixed egg. A cup of green onions. About 2 teaspoons of red chili peppers. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. White pepper. Salt, about 4 cups of water. Cornstarch mixed with water, and finally vinegar. Okay, so to start out this dish, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium heat. We're gonna let that heat up real quick. You want to start off by stir frying your vegetables and your chicken first before putting in any water or anything to make the actual soup. So let's go ahead by adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and grab your chicken and toss it all in. And go ahead and add in your vegetables as well. Okay, once it's all stir fried, you want to go ahead and add your 4 cups of water. Okay, now you just want to leave it till boil. Okay, once you start to see your soup start to boil, you want to go ahead and grab your box of tofu that was sliced earlier. Just want to gently put them in. Make sure you don't break the tofu. And now you just want to stir it evenly again. Make sure everything mixes well. Alright, now you want to go ahead and grab your 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and go ahead and dump that in. Mix that together. Okay, and now you want to get 2 teaspoons of salt. And you want to get 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And go ahead and stir that through as well. So now is where the trick comes in. You want to put in your cornstarch before your vinegar. That's the way you can get the eggs to come out flaky. So go ahead and drop in your cornstarch mixed with water. You can see the soup's consistency start to change a little bit. And after your cornstarch, you're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. All right, and then get 1 teaspoon of red pepper. All right, now the important part comes. You want to turn off your stove, and then using the temperature of the soup itself, you want to go ahead and pour in your mixed egg. And you just want to stir while you're doing that. All right, now you see how the eggs are starting to become more flaky. That's because the cornstarch is in there and it like floats up top instead of going to the bottom and getting clunky like scrambled eggs. There you go, hot and sour soup. Alright, now let's get the soup into the bowl and add the final finishing touches. Alright, there you go. And for the finishing touches, you want to get a little bit of sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon, just for some nuttiness. Okay. And then last but not least, you want to go ahead and get your green onions, throw it on for coloring and for taste. And that's it. Hot and sour soup.